I will be reviewing the Feit Electric Smart LED strip lights. The lights are 16 foot long and are Wi-Fi enabled. Let's go over the measurements. These lights are about 1/4 inch in width. Now let's go over some of the features. As you could see, the lights have different ports on each end, a male side and a female side. This will allow you to connect an extra pair of lights if you need to. On the back of the light, you will find the adhesive. Simply remove the cover paper when you are ready to attach the lights. It is very simple to set up the strip lights. Simply attach one end of the lights to the switch and connect the power outlet cord on the other side of the switch. Then click the button to turn on or off. The LED strip lights come with a remote control, which will allow you to turn on, off, or change the settings. Or you may also download the app, which is what I will be using for this video. Now let's try it out. As you could see, it is very simple to change colors by using the color scheme on your app. And you're also able to change the saturation. The app also comes with pre-programmed color settings, such as Halloween and Christmas. You are also able to adjust the brightness. Overall, I highly recommend the Feit Electric Smart LED strip lights. They are Wi-Fi enabled and works well with Alexa or Hey Google. The app is easy to use and perfect for making any adjustments. The lights can be used both indoor or outdoor and are perfect for your bedroom, living room, or your patio space.